Is dropshipping really dead in 2024? That's the question that seems to be on everybody's lips these days. There's a lot of chatter, a lot of speculation, and a fair amount of confusion. So, let's take a moment to go back to the basics. Dropshipping, for those who may not be familiar, is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Over the years, this business model has evolved and adapted to the changing retail landscape. We've seen its meteoric rise, its golden age, and now some are whispering about its impending doom. But the question remains, is this really the funeral march for dropshipping? Or are we witnessing a transformation, a shift in the business model? However, is this truly the end of dropshipping? Or is it just a shift in the business model? Let's delve deeper in the coming scenes. To understand the present, we need to look at the past. The rise of dropshipping was nothing short of a revolution in the world of e-commerce. It was like a gold rush, with entrepreneurs flocking to the opportunity. The appeal was undeniable. The model offered minimal startup costs, eliminating the need for a brick-and-mortar store or a warehouse full of inventory. With just a laptop and an internet connection, anyone could become a business owner. The peak of its popularity was a time when success stories seemed to be everywhere. People were making a killing, and it felt like anyone could do it. It was the dream of the digital age, the ability to operate a thriving business from the comfort of one's own home or while traveling the world. Dropshipping was a game changer, offering unprecedented freedom and potential for profit. But, like all things, it wasn't destined to stay the same forever. Every game changes eventually. Fast forward to 2024, and the landscape is quite different. The world of dropshipping is no longer a secret goldmine, but a battlefield swarming with competitors. The surge of players in the game has led to a significant reduction in profit margins. What was once a lucrative, low-risk business model is now a high-stakes race to the bottom. Adding to the challenge, consumer behavior and expectations are changing at the speed of light. Today's customers are savvy. They demand high-quality products, swift delivery, and superior customer service. The dropshipping model, with its inherent lack of control over product quality and delivery times, struggles to meet these heightened expectations. And let's not forget about the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. It's becoming more difficult and expensive to reach potential customers, further squeezing those already thin profit margins. The challenges are real, but does this mean dropshipping is dead? Let's delve deeper in the next scene. So, what does the future hold for dropshipping? A question we're all mulling over. As we look ahead, we see a landscape ripe with opportunities. Dropshipping isn't disappearing, it's evolving. The key to its survival? Adaptation. New strategies are emerging that will help businesses stay afloat. That means a shift towards building stronger relationships with suppliers, focusing on quality over quantity, and being discerning about the products they choose to sell. And let's not forget the role of technology. Advancements in AI and machine learning open up a world of possibilities for automating processes and improving efficiency. Imagine a future where your business is largely automated, freeing you to focus on what matters: growth and innovation. Innovation, that's what will drive the future of dropshipping. Businesses that embrace change, take risks, and innovate will be the ones to watch. The future of dropshipping may be different, but it's certainly not dead. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started by debunking the myth that dropshipping is a dying business model. We explored its glory days when it was a goldmine for entrepreneurs looking for a low-risk, high-reward venture. We then dived into its current state, highlighting the challenges that have emerged, such as increased competition and lower profit margins. But remember, every business has its ups and downs. Despite these challenges, dropshipping is far from dead. It's just undergoing a transformation as it adapts to the changing business environment. The future of dropshipping looks different, but it's still promising. It's all about finding the right niche, building strong relationships with suppliers, and delivering exceptional customer service. So, is dropshipping dead in 2024? The answer is no. It's just evolving, like everything else in the world of business.